My name is George, aka the Saucy Piglet. I'm 9 years old and love cooking, especially on a barbecue. So I'm going to show you how to cook some delicious food, and while we're doing that, I'm going to teach you a bit of Spanish.
¡Ole!
Así que vamos, cocinemos un poco.
This kid is smoking!
Hello and welcome back to sunny Spain and the Saucy Piglet's outdoor kitchen. Can you believe it's only the 20th of February and have you seen the weather? Wow! Today we're making beer can chicken, but before we start, let's get the smoker on. There we have our 2-kilo chicken for our beer can chicken. Chicken in Spanish is pollo. You may ask what a beer can chicken is. Well, can you say beer can without sounding like a Jamaican asking for bacon? Product placement alert!
Please note, no tins of beer were consumed during the making of this video. Other brands are available.
Beer in Spanish is cerveza. It's called beer can chicken because you sit chicken on an open can of beer to make sure it's nice and moist while it's cooking. To start, we need to add a tablespoon of freshly ground mixed pepper to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Pepper in Spanish is pimienta. Mixed pepper is pimienta mixta. Oil in Spanish is aceite. Olive oil is aceite de oliva. Mix together and coat generously inside the chicken, making sure you get it in all the cavities. This is going to help cook the meat from the inside and adds flavour. Next, take 3 tablespoons of olive oil and cover the outside of the chicken. This will help the rub stick to the bird and make the skin nice and crispy. Don't forget to cover both sides. Product placement alert! We're using the Saucy Pig's Boozed Up Bird, available from our Facebook shop. The link is in the comments below. Apply a thick coat all over the chicken, remembering to pat the spices. Don't rub. When you're done, rub some of the spices all over the inside of the bird to give it maximum flavour. Voila! We're ready to mount the bird. On a baking tray, empty 1/3 of the beer, then place the can in the middle of the tray. You may need to get some help with the next bit, but gently position the bird so the can is inside the cavity. When the chicken is in place, add a bit more of the rub and it's ready for the smoker. The barbecue is set at 165 centigrade or 325
Fahrenheit!
and we'll see you in 2.5 hours. Halfway through, cover the chicken in foil. Don't panic. The rub will have blackened, but it's not burnt. This will just stop the skin from burning. After 2.5 hours, let the chicken rest for at least 15 minutes to allow it to absorb the flavoursome juices. Voila! There you have my beer can chicken. Or, if you came from where my dad comes from, you'll say chicken. Next time, I'll show you how to make the best roast potatoes ever. And that's from me, the Saucy Piglet, and thank you for visiting. Hasta la vista, baby!
This kid is smoking!